Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to merge layers in Canva. Now let's talk about why merging layers in Canva can be incredibly useful. Imagine you're working on a complex design project with multiple elements like text, images, and videos. Managing each layer individually can quickly become overwhelming. By learning how to merge layers, you can streamline your workflow, making it easier to manipulate your design as a cohesive unit. This can save you time and help maintain consistency across your work, which is especially beneficial for both beginners and seasoned designers alike. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step process of merging layers. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into Canva using your credentials. For those of you who are new to Canva, don't worry. Simply click on the Sign Up option, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Here at PMN Online, we want to make sure that everyone, whether you're a beginner or a pro, feels comfortable navigating Canva. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific design or project you're currently working on. For example, let's say you have a beautiful photo you want to incorporate. Upload that photo and then start adding other elements like text or additional images. In this example, I might make the image slightly smaller, let's say around 50%, and place it at the center or perhaps to the top right of your canvas. You might also want to include videos as background elements. Simply drag and drop them into your design and use the position tool to arrange them as you like. Now, to understand layers, think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, each containing different elements of your design. For instance, layer 1 could be your text, the second layer might be an image, the third layer could be a video, and so forth. To merge these layers, you need to select them all at once. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the elements on your canvas. Once you have them all selected, you'll see a pop-up with the option to Group. This is Canva's way of allowing you to merge the layers. Click on Group, and voila, your elements are now merged into a single group. This makes it easy to move or duplicate them as one unit. Grouping layers is especially helpful when you want to keep your design organized. For example, if you have overlapping elements or a stack of objects, grouping them ensures that they stay aligned and don't accidentally shift. Should you need to make adjustments, you can always ungroup them. Just select the grouped layers and click Ungroup. Then you can individually edit each layer again. For added security, especially if you're working on a complex project, consider clicking the lock button after grouping. This feature prevents you from accidentally moving or altering the individual layers within your group, maintaining the integrity of your design. And there you have it, folks. By mastering the art of merging layers in Canva, you can enhance your design efficiency and keep your projects organized. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to merge layers in Canva. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.